A bowl of healthy and hearty, hot and sour, sweet and spicy soup can make your day even more warming and energetic. Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to make the minced vegetable soup. This is one of my favorite soup recipe which is super delicious to eat and super simple to make. So let's quickly get started. So to start the recipe, first I'm going to mince the ginger, garlic and green jalapeno peppers. The small bites of the vegetable give the soup really nice texture. Next, I'm going to mince all the vegetables that I love in my soup, including the cauliflowers, the cabbage, the carrots, the beetroot, and the green bell peppers. Once you have minced the vegetables nicely, just keep them aside. The vegetables are ready, and now I'm going to make a sauce mix for the soup. And for that, in a blender, I have taken 1.5 tomato. To this, I will add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, I'm going to add a few teaspoons of Tabasco sauce. Tabasco sauce is a very spicy sauce, so make sure to adjust your taste according to it. Next to this, I'm going to add salt to taste, around 1 teaspoon. And then black pepper powder as needed. Next to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to give it a nice tangy flavor. Then a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. This is optional. If you don't want to add, you can just skip. But this will add a little bit of sweetness to the soup. Now blend all these ingredients to a smooth puree. So the sauce is ready. Now I'm going to keep this aside. Now in a saucepan, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To this, I'm going to add ginger, garlic and pepper finely minced or chopped. Give it a quick stir. Once the raw smell is gone, add all the vegetables. Give it a nice mix and on a high heat cook them for 1 to 2 minutes. Just make sure not to cook the vegetables for a longer time. Once the vegetables are a little cooked or half cooked, add the sauce mix you made. Along with 1 cup of water, and let it to boil. Let the soup to boil for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Once done, you can turn off the stove. So the soup is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it with some fresh baked garlic bread. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.